In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. If you've ever been on a website and noticed how seamlessly some sites incorporate drop-down menus, making it easier to navigate through extensive content or categories, you're probably wondering how you can achieve the same for your Squarespace site. Well, you're in luck because today, we'll go through this process step by step, and in no time, you'll have a professionally organized menu on your very own website. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Squarespace website. If you haven't already created an account, you'll want to do that now, but for today's tutorial, I'm assuming you already have access. So, start by going to the website builder and log in. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access various features, manage your site, and bring your creative ideas to life. Now that we're on the dashboard, it's time to dive into creating your drop-down menu. Begin by selecting the website option. This will take you to an overview of your site and its various pages. Here, you want to look for the Pages section. It's a crucial part because this is where you'll be managing all the different sections of your website, including both existing and new ones. Clicking on Pages will display a list of your current website pages along the left side of your screen. To create a drop-down, you'll add a new page by clicking on the small plus icon. This button is generally located either near the top or bottom of the list of your current pages. Once you click this icon, a menu will pop up, and this is where the magic happens. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Drop-down. This will add a new drop-down folder to your navigation panel. Think of this folder as a container for other pages or subcategories you wish to include within your drop-down menu. You can easily drag existing pages into this folder, allowing them to appear as items in the drop-down when a user hovers over the menu on your live site. It's important to note that naming your drop-down folder appropriately can make navigation more intuitive for your users. For instance, if your site is about travel, you might title your drop-down Destinations with subpages labeled for different locations. Once everything is set and you've organized your pages within the drop-down folder, the changes will reflect on your live site. Remember to preview your site and ensure everything looks the way you want it to before going live. And there you have it. A simple yet effective drop-down menu that enhances the navigation and user experience of your Squarespace site. With just these few steps, your website becomes not just user-friendly, but also displays a level of professionalism. Thank you for tuning in, and happy creating!